तो आजकल किसी भी चीज़ के साथ रिलिजियसली स्टिक करना ना आई थिंक गुनाह है एक।
When ChatGPT exists, I really think these kids are going to figure out how to use it better and then probably create simulations of themselves who are going to go to school instead of them.
So how are they going to get the flavor of everything? How are they going to develop their social skills?
My life. Like, since the day I was born, I was bullied. Like, I was bullied. Like, I genuinely am a product of bullying.
मतलब किताबी पढ़ाई आई थिंक I mean again that is important but it is not just how the world operates now. We want a whole package. We just don't want one thing now.
Patience is actually a privileged quality. Like, वो बहुत ही.
You know, where
How much is enough, Ahmed?
You think it should be enough, na?
There's a reason why I asked him that question. It's because I looked at his face and I knew that he knew that I knew that what he knows, I know too.
Hello, welcome to Cocktail. I am Shiza and we have Amna with us and Ahmed is also joining us. आज हम बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक करने वाले हैं on how important is education after this pandemic. जब के सब चीज़ डिजिटल अवेलेबल है, everything is there. YouTube जो है वो हमारा इस वक्त अबू बना हुआ है. So everything you wanted to know. तो जो और चीज़ें रह गई थी आई थिंक वो जिसका ChatGPT ने जो कुछ थोड़ा बहुत रह गया था मार्जिन से कहीं पे वो उसने वो भी फुलफिल कर दिए. तो लेट्स आस्क दीज पीपल के व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट इट. तो अहमद तुमसे स्टार्ट करते हैं. मुझे बताओ हाउ रेलेवेंट डू यू थिंक इज दिस एजुकेशन और फायदा पढ़ाई कैसे.
I think traditional schooling is a thing of the past in these ever-changing times, especially after COVID. आपको पता ही नहीं होता नेक्स्ट चीज़ क्या, व्हाट इज़ द नेक्स्ट बिग थिंग. तो आजकल किसी भी चीज़ के साथ रिलिजियसली स्टिक करना ना आई थिंक गुनाह है एक, क्योंकि यू नेवर नो व्हाट्स गोइंग टू कम नेक्स्ट. तो एजुकेशन शुड बी लिमिटलेस. इट शुड we should probably make it drink Red Bull ताकि it grow some wings and it's just soaring in the air, because that's how things should be now. You cannot stay anchored to one traditional thing, right? So I think yes, schooling is important because it also teaches to the बच्चे how to navigate their life in terms of communicational skills and how to deal with others. But at the same time, I think चार दीवारी में बैठ के आप पढ़ना जो है it doesn't really serve a purpose, in my opinion.
Honestly, it's just like अभी जो है आप क्या कह सकते हो, like ChatGPT जो है ना कोई like education क्या, what's the point? When ChatGPT exists, I really think these kids are going to figure out how to use it better and then probably create simulations of themselves who are going to go to school instead of them. Like, that is how intelligent they can be, because they know that the possibilities now are endless. जब आपने options ही एक बच्चे को इतनी ज़्यादा दे दिए हैं तो उसका इतनी छोटी उम्र में दिमाग भी फिक्स हो जाता है कि शायद उसको ज़रूरत नहीं है.
That is true, but okay, so help me figure this out. Because being very old school और सारा टाइम जिंदगी पूरी मैंने स्कूल यूनिवर्सिटीज में गुजार दी. So मुझे ये लगता है कि एजुकेशन द फाउंडेशन इज वेरी वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट इन द सेंस कि अगर आप कहते हैं स्कूल नहीं भेजना बच्चों को और आपने खुद ही से सब कुछ करवा लेना है, so how are they going to get the flavor of everything? How are they going to develop their social skills? And also जो even let's say हम कहते हैं bullying की हम बात करते हैं, people learn from bullying, right? If not anything else, you learn how not to be a bully. How to identify.
No, thank you so much for saying that. Thank you so much for saying that, because you're the first person in my entire life that has actually put it in a positive sense that bullying is very important, mainly even for character development. It is very important. Honestly, it is very hard to believe considering how tightly I've hung on to my personality, but I have been bullied throughout my life. Like, since the day I was born, I was bullied. Like, I was bullied. Like, I genuinely am a product of bullying. But I really feel like एक इंसान जो है जो like ये चीज़ें face करना नहीं सीखता, वो जो है like in a lot of ways they're missing out on being able to create like a value system which has a lot of self acceptance, जो बेसिकली लाइक फेलियर और लॉसेस को जो है ग्रेशियसली एक्सेप्ट करना सीखे, लाइक ग्रेसफुली एटलीस्ट, और जो एक्चुअली लाइक दुनिया को जो है बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक एक मोनोक्रोम तरीके से भी देखना सीखे, कि मतलब कि चीज़ें जिस तरह होती थी और अब जितनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज अवेलेबल हैं, इवन दो यस इट इज़ द कंपटीशन, द स्किल सेट, द रिक्वायरमेंट्स आर अ लॉट, but comparing the level of resources from then to now, you have to be able to analyze all of these little things, see how things are on a more slower level. यार पता है मसला क्या है schools का mainly is that the level of stimulation that other things offer is so extreme that the way that these schools are teaching our kids, it's making them feel stupid because it's too slow for their taste. They don't really learn this way anymore. They don't understand things इस तरीके से. उनको एक different तरीके से पढ़ाना पड़ेगा. Like you can't do it.
I have another contention here. मुझे ये लगता है, in a world where everything is so fast-paced, if something is slow-paced, that teaches you, that balances out your personality, that also helps you to ground yourself, to stop and think for a moment. वो बड़ी ज़रूरी होता है. ऐसा नहीं होता कि आपने एक फास्ट ट्रैक में गाड़ी नहीं चलानी होती, आपने कई जगहों पर रुक के सोचना भी होता है, रिफ्लेक्ट भी करना होता है. एंड आई थिंक कि अगर हमारे स्कूल्स थोड़े से स्लो हैं, थोड़ा सा इस तरह से, सो आई थिंक दैट्स not a bad thing. At the end of the day, it teaches you so much more about, it's not just because हम स्कूल जो है कहते तो है ना कि हाँ कायदा पढ़ाने भेजते हैं कि चलो आप ABC आ जाएगी, ये आ जाएगा, वो आ जाएगा, मैथ्स आ जाएगा, अलजेब्रा, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री वगैरह आप कर लेंगे, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आप लाइफ स्किल्स सीख रहे होते हैं ना. सो not everything can be done just like that by the snap of a finger. Have to think, reflect, and then sort of modify, do, redo, learn, unlearn, relearn. ये वाला जो concept है, I think that's really important. What do you think, Ahmed?
Definitely, I think a balance of two is the way it should be, and that's what I said शुरू में भी कि discipline के लिए and reflection के लिए, introspection के लिए, and just adhering to rules is also very important. तो इन चीज़ों के लिए again that falls under the umbrella of discipline के लिए school important है, and communication skills obviously. लेकिन पढ़ाई as in मतलब किताबी पढ़ाई, I mean, again, that is important, but it is not just how the world operates now. We want a whole package. We just don't want one thing now. We want a person who can read. We want a person who can talk fluently. We want a person who's learned, who has passions, other fervors that they deal in extracurriculars. तो इस सबको फिर बैलेंस करने के लिए फिर एक बैलेंस्ड अप्रोच होनी चाहिए ना. आप कहते हो कि एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर भी हो, ये भी हो, वो भी हो, लेकिन पढ़ाई में भी अच्छा हो, तो फिर अक्सर एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर्स पे रह जाते हैं. एंड ये मैंने देखा काफ़ी स्टूडेंट्स के जो बहुत अच्छे भी होते हैं, दे समटाइम्स लैक द एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर और कम्युनिकेशनल स्किल्स. तो जिस तरह की डिमांड है, फिर सप्लाई भी उस तरह की होनी चाहिए, राइट? तो ये बस बात है कि वी नीड टू फाइंड अ बैलेंस. समर कैंप्स का यहाँ कॉन्सेप्ट इतना नहीं है, लेकिन पेरेंट्स इतना इंकरेज नहीं करते. देयर इज दिस फोबिया, देयर इज दिस स्टिग्मा अटैच्ड टू इट कि पता नहीं बच्चा कहाँ जा रहा है और क्या किसके साथ किसकी सोबत में है, तो प्रॉपर लाइसेंसिंग नहीं है. तो आई थिंक समर कैंप्स का कॉन्सेप्ट होना चाहिए. बच्चे खुले
When you
होके
say summer camps, you're actually talking about some sort of vocational kind of a thing, जहाँ पे skill learning हो रही है.
I'm talking about an educational summer camp जिसमें उनके soft skills develop हों बच्चों के. So for example, अक्सर ये होता है कि जी पूरे 6 महीने 8 महीने पढ़ा है एंड देन 3 महीने बच्चे घर बैठ जाते हैं, या if they can afford it तो पेरेंट्स take them out somewhere, I don't know, किसी और शहर मुल्क वगैरह, but not everybody can afford it. So I think schools का एक पैकेज, जिस तरह internships होता है ना यूनिवर्सिटी लेवल में, it's just part of your semester, उस तरह schools का एक पैकेज होना चाहिए wherein they send students to summer camp so that पढ़ाई से के अलावा दूसरी किस्म की पढ़ाई भी हो सके, राइट? तो
अच्छा, मुझे बताओ, don't you think जो soft skills हैं, of course soft skills are very very important and that is something जो AI cannot replace. ठीक है? So in this world वो AI उनको replace नहीं कर सकता. I mean जो आपकी spoken skills हैं वो तो आप ही ने बोलना है ना at the end of the day. आपका जो भी confidence है या public speaking है, whatever. So but the thing is कि इसके अंदर जो है don't you think कि ये तो हम सारा साल स्कूल में सीखते हैं?
नहीं, वो वाले सॉफ्ट स्किल्स फ़र्क होते हैं। वो ये है कि जी टीचर से कैसे झूठ बोलना है कि मैंने होमवर्क इसलिए नहीं किया था कि अपना हमारे घर में डेथ हो गई थी। लेकिन वो फ़र्क चीज़ है। लेकिन आई थिंक सॉफ्ट स्किल्स दूसरे वाले एम्पैथी, ठीक है,
हुँ,
कंपैशन, वेयर टू वेयर टू गेट योरसेल्फ आउट ऑफ अ सिचुएशन, कहाँ पे किसी को कंडेम करना चाहिए, कहाँ पे किसी को एनकरेज करना चाहिए, पीयर्स के अपने
हुँ,
पीयर्स। आई थिंक दैट इज़ व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट। बाकी जो आप कह रही हैं
हुँ,
कि जो खुद से आता है, दैट इज़ अनदर डिबेट। वो तो नर्चर वर्सेस नेचर वाली डिबेट
हुँ,
आ जाती है। But I think soft skills can definitely be further accentuated in a person. Yes, कुछ लोग ज़रा वैसे ही लैक करते हैं वो, but I think कोई ऐसी चीज़ नहीं जो बंदा सीख नहीं सकता। I am
हुँ।
considering you're in the
हाँ,
right
you
company.
work on that. हाँ, हाँ. I want to include you. मुझे एक बात बताओ. When you say the world is fast paced and ये वाली demand नहीं है, और ये so basically I personally feel कि you're talking about the job market के people are earning money, just by making videos on.
Yeah, listen, like the only people who actually stood up in terms of activism, proper activism, were university students right now, all across the globe. They stood up for the rights of people who couldn't speak up for themselves, not people in Silicon Valley, not like professional health. Like nobody was actually like as stubborn as people from higher educational institutions. It's because Gen Z understands that you can't you can't you can't basically lie to them to their face. You can't
Hmm.
pretend that what's happening is not happening, because they are very well aware that they are coming into a world which is already burning. Climate change is destroying all possibilities for exponential growth in terms of what sort of irrigated land they will have, what sort of weather they will witness. Like, they are
Hmm.
very well aware about the fact that the kind of world that they're coming into, it has been overused, it has been completely trashed, and they will probably not have jobs because AI can do the jobs of billions of people at the same time. Like, not billions, but like several people at the same time. Essentially,
Hmm.
AI can manage like a big large quantity quality wise work. एक इंसान उसको मैनेज कर ले वो काफी है. तो उनको ये चीजों की जो ना बेसिक क्लैरिटी है. उनकी मेंटल हेल्थ जो है वो सेम तरीके से मैनेज नहीं हो पाएगी जिस तरीके से आप दोनों कह रहे हैं कि ज़रा सब्र और ठहराव से काम लेने से जो है काम होता है. मतलब कि ये एक बहुत ही एक्टिव किस्म की एक फ़ियर एक इंसान के अंदर पैदा हो रहा है कि बड़े होके वो एक लाइक दे विल हैव टू स्ट्रगल टू अर्न. And like,
True.
we were given the impression that we had to struggle to earn. They are literally going to be under the sword के literally के उनके पास कोई और चॉइस नहीं होएगी. लाइक वो क्या क्रिएटिव काम के अंदर अपना दिमाग लगा पाएंगे अगर वो कॉन्स्टेंटली यही सोचते रहेंगे दैट मशीन्स आर गोना टेक ओवर, मशीन्स आर गोना टेक ओवर. इट इज देयर एब्सोल्यूट रियलिटी.
अच्छा, अच्छा, नो, Amna, I want to add here कि आपको पता है जब मशीनें जब आना शुरू हुई हैं जब से, so there's always been a fear कि आपको humans are going to be replaced with this and that, और हमने कई जगहों पे देखा भी है कि replacement हुई भी है. But the idea is कि I mean मतलब आप पहिए की इजाद से देखना शुरू करो ना. तो जिस तरह से things have moved on with inventions, so लोग जो है काफी सारी जॉब जो है वो रिडंडेंट होती गई है. That's true. बट ऐसा नहीं है कि लोगों की जॉब्स खत्म हो गई, सो देयर नो मोर स्किल्स टू बी लर्न. आपकी जॉब मार्केट तो आपको साथ साथ इवॉल्व होती गई है ना. जहां जहां पर मतलब हु एवर थॉट इन माय टाइम कि इन्फ्लुएंसर भी कोई एक चीज होती है, यू अंडरस्टैंड, बट नाउ दे आर अर्निंग, दे आर डूइंग सो वेल. सो nobody would have thought कि
Yeah,
ये भी इस चीजें बनना
I
शुरू हो
get
गई. So
it.
there
I
are
think
opportunities coming
yes,
along with the inventions.
opportunities will increase, but I really feel like, if you really truly ask me, I don't think that there is any sort of, like, I know that you're like कि a balance should be maintained, but that is in an ideal world. मैंने जो है ना बहुत ही aggressive और बहुत ही high strung बच्चों को देखा है, ठीक है, जो excessively stimulated होते हैं, कि मतलब कि जिनके पास कोई limitations ही नहीं होती stimulation में. तो वो जो है स्कूल के साथ नहीं, they cannot adapt to the idea of school sometimes, and it does take them back, it does hold them back in some ways. I do think as a child you should make it mandatory for kids to learn how to code, with your ABCs, I think you should make it very mandatory कि when the child is learning ABCs, they should also be taught the concept of how to talk to a computer at the same time, how to read and write with other humans. ठीक है? Because I do feel like that will create a sort of shift balance in terms of what their orientation towards the world is going to be. Will they be able to compete with people across the globe? Like,
It's true.
you don't need a school for most things now in the world. And yes, some people do choose to go to school, and good for them कि उनकी mental health बहुत बेहतर होती होगी इन लोगों की जिनके अंदर वो capabilities है कि वो सब्र से सीख सकते हैं चीजें. They are definitely different people. You are very much a different person because like you have the ability to like be patient during the learning process, but I don't think patience is actually a privilege quality. Like वो बहुत ही, it's a privilege to have that as a child. और वो inculcate करना बच्चों में बहुत मुश्किल है. I think patience आप कैसे क्या करो आप.
Again, वही nature versus nurture वाली debate इस पे भी है कि some people are just born with higher levels of patience in comparison to other people. तो वो तो depend करता है. But like I think the entire mechanics of society have changed, and
Yes.
so and again जैसे आपने कहा है कि you know people in universities have been the most prominent demographic that has actively resisted oppression. So this is also a result of citizen journalism, because before social media, before people could voice their opinions so openly, this wasn't something that was very common. And iski wajah se people have this power now, and again, this is a strength that we can take over social AI as well.
और शिजा
AI,
आपने I'm so sorry, I'm just like exactly the thing that he said about AI. It's like कि you said right now कि हमेशा से हो रहा है कि मतलब कि टेक्नोलॉजी की वजह से लोग redundant हुए हैं या नहीं हुए. But इस दफा there is a difference. I let Emma take it far because I understand. I'm just saying that there is a difference between the way that AI has come into the world. पिछले कई सालों में जिस level of technological improvements हुई हैं, it's at like a psychotically fast pace that the mind cannot like actually comprehend किस level पे चीजें change हुई हैं. Literally like अभी AI निकला था, उसका अब जो version है वो आपको दुनिया की हर चीज करने देता है. उसने जो है और additions जो है like और GPTs adopt कर ली हैं और उसको expand करके जो है हर तरीके के AI को लेकर आ रहे हैं in the mix. So it is very much कि
No,
नई
that's
जरूरत होगी इंसानों की.
नहीं, वो तो ठीक है. एंड आई टोटली एग्री विद यू व्हेन यू से कि हमारे पास जो है डिजिटल लिटरेसी के स्किल्स होने चाहिए, वेयर पीपल आर टॉट हाउ टू कोड, हाउ टू टॉक टू कंप्यूटर्स एंड सो ऑन. आई टोटली एग्री विद दैट. बट ये कि ऑफ कोर्स दिस हैज टू बी डन इन एन एनवायरनमेंट दैट इज दैट काइंड ऑफ एन एनवायरनमेंट. पहली बात तो ये. और इसमें तो ऑफ कोर्स स्कूल्स की अपग्रेडेशन की बात है, एंड दैट इज ऑफ कोर्स करिकुलम की अपग्रेडेशन की बात है, वो तो होना चाहिए. दैट्स ट्रू. But I think when we are talking these days, when we are talking in terms of schools being being totally obsolete or useless jagah, I think we are very much the elephant in the room is the money making, मतलब कि कोई बंदा है वीडियोस लगा के अपनी जो है वो इतने कमा लेता है, जो आप इतनी पूरे 17 साल की 15 साल की इयर्स ऑफ एजुकेशन कंप्लीट करके भी आप शायद वो लाइफस्टाइल नहीं अचीव कर रहे. एंड थिंग इज कि इट्स बेसिकली एट द एंड ऑफ द डे मनी वाला मैटर बहुत ज्यादा आ जाता है, हाउ मच यू आर अर्निंग. तो बट द थिंग इज कि आई थिंक मुझे लगता है कि इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू जस्ट आल्सो थिंक अबाउट इन टर्म्स ऑफ के the idea, it's not just the money race, it's also कि हमने पैसा जो है वो how much is enough, you understand. So ये चीजें जो है you learn them when you are togetherness वाली जहाँ पे बात आती है ना, where
How much is enough, Ahmed?
nothing will ever be enough.
It's never enough, Shiza.
It should be enough, na?
There's a reason why I asked him that question. It's because I looked at his face and I knew that he knew that I knew that what he knows I know too.
No, because
It's never
why
enough.
is it not enough, bhai?
आपकी when you reach a certain milestone, then you want more, and then you want more, and then you want more. So it's never enough. इंसान की
It's
फितरत में
never enough.
No,
I
there's this
don't care
idea
about
of
milestones.
satisfaction.
It's
There's
never
this
enough.
idea of satisfaction that you should have. You see, everybody wants to be the Dari Saab, but then the idea is that there should be a satisfaction. You should have that satisfaction within you. Or mere ख्याल
It
से
is
the
never
education is
enough.
still
It is
that
never.
I think what Shida is trying to say is that you get your bills paid, you go out for a little recreation, you have food on the table. So that is the
enough. It's enough. It's enough. I mean, that is absurd ना कि मतलब अगर मैं जाके अब कहूँ कि मैंने बिल गेट्स के साथ अपना एक कंपैरिजन बना लेना है ना, that's ridiculous. He is just one person in इतनी बड़ी सारी दुनिया में. But the thing is,
यही
there
तो
are
फर्क
people
है
who-
आपकी और मेरी जनरेशन में. Is because हम समझ सकते हैं कि अगली जनरेशन अंडरस्टैंड करती है कि it's never enough.
It's never enough, Evan.
I mean, I would agree to disagree with Amna here. I mean, I get कि जितना वो जितनी आप पाँव फैलाते जाते हैं उतनी चादर आपको बड़ी चाहिए होती है. I get that, but again, the overall satisfaction score that Shita is talking about is something else. You're like I said, your bills are being paid. You have clothes to wear. Your kids are going to school, right? You have food on the
You
table.
eat
So
out whenever you want to. You buy things whenever you want to. But the thing is that you don't have to have such a कि हराम का पैसा है.
yeah.
It should be enough. It's enough. No, I'm not.
अभी जो है ना हराम के पैसे वाला जो लेवल है ना वो हलाल वाली लाइफस्टाइल प्रोवाइड कर रही है. लाइक हालात जो है इकोनॉमी के यहाँ पे आ चुके हैं कि यू नीड अ लॉट ऑफ हराम का पैसा टू लिव अ नॉर्मल लाइफस्टाइल राइट नाउ. आई डोंट नो. I'm not making a great case.
No. So, no, I get what you're trying to say as well. Yeah, but that is, exceptional only to us here in Pakistan. Because I think I was reading somewhere in the news the other day that Pakistan is one of the most expensive countries these days for its local people. ये हमारी double digit inflation है, population control कोई नहीं है. So obviously, हमारे satisfaction score, obviously, but then, there's a lot of political instability, फिर military instability. I mean, I don't know if I should say this, but khair. So yeah, I mean, but it is true. I mean, there have been like skirmishes between people and the military and people and the politics, the political figures. So, all these things they like make this cumulative pile of dissatisfaction. But what you're talking about is straight up. I don't know. It's like hedonism. What you're talking about. वो तो बिल्कुल याशी वाली बात है ना. So that is something different. I think we're talking about a general, pace where one can.
So when we are talking about surveys, तुम्हें पता है ना वो एक हर साल एक सर्वे आता होता है कौन सा मुल्क है जिसके लोग जो है ना सबसे ज्यादा खुश हैं. आज तक मैंने पाकिस्तान में किसी का कभी नहीं सुना, कभी किसी ने कहा भी होगा पाकिस्तान के लोग खुश.
Were you surprised? Were you surprised? That's
No,
my
but the thing is, I don't know. This is, and when you guys say, we want more. So it's never enough. So that just sort of like, rings bells कि भाई ऐसा क्यों है? I mean, some things are enough. And उनकी excess अजीब
I'm not
होती है.
especially because she's disagreeing with you.
I can see it clearly.
We're all entitled to our opinions,
I'm not-
aren't we?
मतलब I'm going to agree to disagree, honestly. Yeah.
But
It's
I'm
never
going,
enough.
I'm going to take this forward by again relating this with the education in the sense that when you surround people with material things, जिस तरह आजकल होता रहा है, हमारे बचपन में भी होता रहा है, and there is a lack of human connection, so you would always want more of material things. But once जिस तरह मैंने कहा है, आप summer camps करें, आप और recreational activities करें बच्चों के लिए to get them out of books and into the real world, while also keeping in mind, how they would learn within the real world. So they would realize the value of human connection, and then material things would be secondary to them, and they would be
Yes,
satisfied with.
बिल्कुल. I think you fulfill your life with something else, and then because life तो वही है ना, एक jar है, so you have to fill it. So वो जो fulfillment आती है, it should come from somewhere. So it's really high time we try to figure out what fulfills us. And I think the fulfillment है, it's not just in terms of money or in terms of fame. हर एक की fulfillment फर्क भी होती है, right? So I think with this, I'm just going to end it here. Everyone, please do write to us. Do let us know in comments below. What do you think? हमारे education system कितना जो है important है, होना चाहिए, नहीं होना चाहिए, उसको evolve किस तरह करना चाहिए, and so on. Thank you for joining. We'll see you next time. Allah Hafiz.